Hello everybody, and welcome to a video from the TextView. Today I will show you how to upgrade your memory on your computer, how to go about purchasing it, and how to check what type of memory you can use on your computer. So let's go ahead and get started. In order to check what type of memory your computer uses, or how much it can be upgraded to, or how much you want, if you can max it out, you want to go to a particular website called Crucial.com. I will put the link on the side. So once you get to Crucial.com, basically you're just going to choose what type of computer you have, starting with the manufacturer. So we'll do a HP. So I'll look for HP. I will select what kind it is. Let's go ahead and do that one, and I'll just choose a random one. Choose one of these. Okay, once we do that, it'll give us useful information that we need. What you want to look at is right here where it says the maximum memory. For this particular machine that I randomly chose, the max on it is 2 gigs. So 2048 megabytes is about 2 gigs. The standard memory is what it usually comes with from the factory, which is about 1 gig. And the other important thing that you want to look at is this right here, what type of memory it is. The type of memory that this is 5300 with a maximum of 1 gig per slot. It tells it that there's 2 slots with the maximum of 1 gig. So you want to stick 2 gigs on one slot because it maxes out at 1 gig. So basically you just want to pay attention to what type it is. This is 5300, and if you scroll down, it gives you some prices on some. Here we have a 2 gig kit for $31.99. You can buy it from here, or you can buy it from Newegg.com or Geeks.com. So to purchase your memory, you can go there. Okay, so next we'll be looking how to install it, and we will go there now. Okay, so now that we know what kind of memory is for our system, you want to go ahead and power the machine down, shut it off, unplug the power cord, and we want to remove the side of the case. So to remove the side of the case, you want to just unscrew the screws that are on the side. Some of them have these thumb screws, and some of them have screws that you want to manually remove with a screwdriver. So go ahead and do that, and once you do that, just pull the side of the case off. If your case doesn't have this little handle here, you want to just grab it, just put force into it, and kind of jerk it. And we'll put that to the side. And now we're going to go ahead and install the memory modules. We currently see that we have 2 memory sticks in there. We have these 2. This is 1, this is 2. So let me get a better angle of that. See, we have this 1 gig stick, and we have this 1 gig stick. These sticks are sitting on black colored memory slots. The reason that we have 2 colors here is because you want to put the memory modules, you want to install them by pairs. So here we have 1 gig stick, and here we have another 1 gig stick. You don't want to put a 1 gig stick with 512 gig stick in the pairs. So you want to match the stick with each other. So now we'll go ahead and loosen these handles, and we'll go ahead and install the memory in the blue slots. So what you want to do, here's the memory stick. You want to align this notch, this little gap, with this little place here. So let me go ahead and align it. Nope, it doesn't align that way. I'll flip it over. It should align this way. And there it is. And there it aligns. So now what you want to do is you want to snap it into place with these 2 handles. Just let's go ahead and do one side. Let's snap there. Go ahead and do the other side. Snap there. And what you want to watch out for is that if your memory module isn't snapping into place, you don't want to force it too much. Just go ahead and take it out, make sure you're 100% sure that it's aligned correctly, and snap it in there. So we'll go ahead and do another one. Make sure it aligns. It doesn't align that way, we'll flip it over and it should align this way. Okay, and we'll just do the same thing. Make sure it snaps into place. Make sure that snaps into place. Now that's as far as the installation goes, that's how you install the memory modules. Now what you want to do is just put the case back on, power it up, and in the next step I'll show you how to check how much your operating system, your Windows XP, your Windows Vista is recognizing. Alright, now that we have the memory installed, we're going to go ahead and check how much Windows XP says we have. By the way, I'm on a different machine that we installed the memory to, but the basic idea is to show you how you can check how much memory you currently have or how much memory you upgraded to. So in order to do that, we're going to go to Start, right click My Computer, and on the drop down menu we'll click Properties, and your information that you're looking for will be right here. This one, on this computer, it says that it currently has about 2 gigs of RAM. That's 1.72 gigabytes of RAM. So we'll just round off to 2 gigs. So that is the information that you're looking for. So say if I wanted to upgrade this computer, I would go to Crucial and see what the max is and see what type of memory it is, and then go buy the memory and install it. So that's it for this video. Hope you enjoyed it, and if this video was helpful to you, please subscribe and give 5 stars. And if you have any questions or any comments, be sure to send me a message and I will try to answer your questions to the best of my ability. So I guess that wraps this one up. I have a couple more videos that I'm working on, so those will be coming pretty soon. So that's it for this one, and that'll wrap it up, and I will see you in the next one.